Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Bitcoin with Paysafecard. What you need to do, first just go to this site boxful.com and then buy, here's Bitcoin, and then pay via, click show all, and then just scroll down and then just select Paysafecard. After that, I want to spend, then you need to enter the amount. For example, here is the amount. After that, click find offers. Yeah, you can see here I got a lot of offers. For example, this one, he has 4,111 likes. This one, he has 11,550 likes. This one here, 1,893 likes. Then just I can select anyone. After when I select the person, then just click buy. This is what you need to do if you want to buy Bitcoin with Paysafecard. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.